In this video, I'll show you how to change your YouTube video thumbnail. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing to this channel and giving this video a like so others can find it. So the first thing we're going to do is go to youtube.com, and we need to make sure that we are logged into the account that has the video that we want to change the thumbnail for. And we just need to make sure that we are logged into the correct YouTube account. To do that, you're simply going to click on your profile picture and click on View Channel. This is going to show you your username and the channel that you are using right now. Now, to change the thumbnail of a video, we're going to click on YouTube Studio. Once you're here, go ahead and click on Content, and here is where you're going to see a list of all of your videos. Now, what we're going to do is select the video that we wish to edit, and we're going to click on Details. Here's where you can edit your video, and right under Description, you're going to find this segment for thumbnail. Here you can change your thumbnail. Remember that in most cases, having a great thumbnail is what is going to make your video stand out. We actually have a video on this channel that teaches you how to create a great thumbnail in case you guys want to watch it later. So what you can do is upload your file. So simply click on Upload File, and you need to make sure that the thumbnail that you're about to upload follows these recommendations. You can use a JPG, PNG, or GIF file format. It needs to follow the thumbnail community guidelines and other things. Once you upload your thumbnail, simply click on Save, and this will automatically save your new thumbnail. Hope that helped.